been seeing too many YouTuber pictures on there selling hair that has nothing to do with whatever YouTuber was wearing in the first place. And this is misleading because you guys watch our videos, you watch our reviews, you watch how we love the hair or not love the hair. And then these companies just want to use our pictures and sell hair and make money off it without giving us jack. Misleading people using my picture. You selling fake, disgusting ocean wave type of curl and calling your hair ocean wave and using my picture that has nothing to do with ocean wave and saying we're selling ocean wave hair. Like, guys, this is wrong. This is theft. Let me say thank you for the culture for this beautiful hat. Thank you to Rufina Designs for my beautiful sweats. I really love it. It's very comfy and we're repping homeland. So thank you for that, and thank you for the culture for this beautiful hat. If you guys are interested in this or that, I will link them in the description below and you can get your stuff. Okay. For this video, the topic is going to be how to spot fake hair on Amazon. Use these techniques. I wish I could name this video how to spot fake ass hair on Amazon. Use these techniques to spot them fake ass people. Before I start this video, hear me out. Have you seen this? Have y'all seen this picture of mine on Amazon? Yeah. Fake ass company. Look, if you see a company on Amazon showing my picture and selling some type of ocean wave hair, I am not affiliated with them. They have not paid me. I have not given them the authority to use my picture. They stole my picture and they're using it to sell on Amazon. Yes, it's not fair. Yes, I have called Amazon and they can't do shit about it. Hopefully somebody can help me, but I'm going to ask about it. I know in YouTube we're a public figure basically, and so people use stuff for whatever they want to use it for. Don't believe everything you see. This hair is Kima Wind Wave. Okay? And these people on Amazon are busy selling hair with my picture, calling it ocean wave. This is not ocean wave. So let me tell you, if you see a picture of a YouTuber and the company is selling hair, you look at the YouTuber's hair and you're like, ooh, that's gorgeous. I want it. And then you purchase the hair and it's not what you paid for. It doesn't come out like the picture. The hair doesn't feel good. So I'm going to teach you how to spot fake hair on Amazon. Selling hair using YouTubers' pictures, using other people's pictures, celebrities and YouTubers' pictures to sell their product. Basically, they're misleading people. If you have not seen a video on the hair on my channel and you have not heard me say the company sent me the hair to review and the link is in the description box, so click and get yours, then I have not reviewed that hair. Okay, so be careful. Going straight to Amazon and seeing our pictures on there and buying hair, you will be disappointed because we don't even know these people are using our pictures. I've had so many people link me up, connect me and say, hey, your picture's on Amazon, they're selling this hair. And I'm like, I know. Thanks for letting me know. You know, I guess it is in a way advertising for you, but not really, because it's not like they're linking your channel to their stuff. It's not like they're paying you for using your picture. It's not like they even got permission to use your picture for free. They're just doing it. And Amazon, when I reached out to Amazon a year or so ago, the associate that I talked to told me that these companies are based in China, they're based in Asia, and so all they can do is tell them to please not use the picture that you're using, but then it's up to them to take it off or not. What? So I took a few notes to help you guys spot, to help you guys buy authentic hair, to buy hair you really love, and not just looking at the picture and buying some whack hair. All right, guys? How do you buy hair on Amazon correctly? The right way. Do not look at the picture of the model. Look at the hair. they will show the model and they will show the hair. Look at the hair the company is selling and use that to judge whether you want that hair or not. Forget about the picture of the model, whoever you're using. Most of them are not real. Some are, but most of them are. So to avoid any confusion, just use the hair that you see, not the model. If it only has a picture of a model but not the hair, click on that picture and read the description of the hair. What does it say? That the description sound like the hair you're actually looking at? Does that wording in there describe the hair? After you've looked at what the description is on the hair and you've looked at the picture that is on their site and you're still not sure, scroll down. Scroll down below the picture. Typically they will provide more pictures below. Scroll and see if you can see any other pictures that are in there that describes the hair. So scroll down, see if there are more options, more pictures that you can see of the hair. Do you like it? Do you not like it? This time you're not looking at the picture of the model, right? This time you're looking at their own pictures of the hair they're selling, because it looks like they're obligated to put the picture of the hair that they're selling. And so I've seen two types: a picture of a model and the hair, or a picture of just the model or in some type of hair. And then way down below, when you scroll down, you will see pictures of their own hair. Look at the pictures that they provide. Does that picture match what the model is wearing? If it doesn't, then red flag, don't buy it. Unless you absolutely love it, then it's on you. But that's a way to spot whether they are misleading or not. And then keep scrolling down to customer reviews. Read through those reviews. What are people saying about this hair? If they're saying good stuff, buy it. If you're saying things like they don't like it, it messed up, it didn't come in the right this or right that, just advise yourself. 1. Look at the picture of the hair that the company is selling. Ignore the model. 2. If they don't provide pictures of the hair they're selling and they only provide the model, scroll down. The picture of whatever they're selling will be below. Look and see if it matches the model. Look at the description of the hair. Does it match what they're selling, or does it match what the model is wearing? If it doesn't, keep scrolling down. Go to reviews. Look at people's reviews on that hair. Does it sound good? What are they saying? Use that to judge whether you want to buy the hair or not. For this hair, this is Kimma Wind Wave. I used 4 colors, and if you love this hair like I love, this combo, guys, this combo was everything. If you love this, I'll put the link below. I will also put the colors of the hair that I use, and you can try your version. And if you try your version of this hair, however you mix the hair, please tag me on IG, on Instagram at marissa.jotes. I would love to see how yours turned out, okay? So I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. I appreciate you so, so much. Thank you.